In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing for specific cells in Google Sheets. If you are sharing a spreadsheet with other people, but you want to keep certain cells from being changed accidentally, Google Sheets gives you a simple way to protect just the range you choose. This is especially useful for formulas, headers, totals, or any section of the sheet that should stay consistent while the rest of the document remains editable. To get started, open your Google Sheet and highlight the cell or range of cells you want to protect. You can select a single cell, multiple cells, or a larger section depending on what you need. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected exactly the right area. Because the protection settings will apply only to the range you choose, once the range is selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. From there, hover over View More Cell Actions, and then click Protect Range. This will open a panel on the right-hand side of the screen where you can manage the protection settings for that selected range. In the side panel, click Set Permissions. This is the part where you decide how strict you want the editing restriction to be. Google Sheets gives you two main options here, and the best one depends on how your spreadsheet is being used. The first option is to restrict who can edit this range. If you choose only you, then no one else will be able to make changes to those cells. If you choose Custom, you can allow only specific collaborators to edit that section while keeping everyone else out. This is a good choice when multiple people are working in the same file. But certain sections should only be updated by selected users. The second option is to show a warning when editing. With this setting, anyone who has access to edit the sheet can still make changes to the protected range. But they'll first see a warning prompt asking them to confirm. This is helpful if you don't want to fully lock the cells, but you do want to reduce accidental edits. After choosing the restriction level that fits your needs, click Done to save the setting. Your selected cells are now protected based on the permission option you chose. That's all it takes to restrict editing for specific cells in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.